here for Mr. Jordan's repair attempt. It is September 9th, 77 degrees. We are replacing with the same light, kind, and quality. See if this roof's repairable.
It's only got nails up here. That's funky.
You can already tell some granule loss coming off these shingles. Nails are put in the wrong spot.
Yes. New nails? More nails?
Alright. Slide this up.
Put on the first strip for right now.
First strip. Gotcha. Ready? Tell granules just falling down off of all of these shingles. Already got a little bit of a crease right there. So, as you can tell, we have granule loss across the top two shingles, creasing towards the middle. Definitely not repairable, just gonna be causing more damage. What do you think?